The most severe type of multiple sclerosis, there's no treatment. One that was supposed to get FDA approval before the end of the year has been delayed another 3 months. Multiple sclerosis is an unpredictable disease anyone can get. It could result in blindness, slurred speech, poor coordination, even paralysis. KXAN's Amanda Brandeis spoke with patients in Austin who continue to wait for help.
My talent has been tasting the beers, making sure that they're good.
If you send Mary Thompson an email, you can't help but ask for the backstory.
My email address is sip1beer. My husband and I started the first microbrewery in the Southwest.
It's safe to say the beloved liquid has been a staple in their lives. But over the years, Mary has had to step back from the business.
You can see the steps and the physical ability that you have to use to work.
Mary learned she had multiple sclerosis 30 years ago when there were no treatments.
It is pretty terrifying when you don't know whether it's going to affect your walking, your eyesight, your brain.
The thousands diagnosed with MS face an uncertain future.
It is very important to me to have people be able to talk about it, moan about it, get angry about it, whatever.
She started a support group in Austin and says many in it have been looking forward to a new treatment called Ocrevus, which targets the immune system. FDA approval is on hold as the company works to fine-tune the manufacturing process, but the drug is still good to go.
When you're a lot worse off, which some of these people are, that they're more desperate to try anything to see if it works.
The trials did prove positive, meaning that there was some benefit in prevention of long-term disability, which is actually a first for a multiple sclerosis drug, so that's actually quite promising.
Dr. Greg Thera says while there's now a delay for the drug, his patients hope it'll be worth the wait.
I'm hopeful, but hesitant.
The drug hasn't yet proven to treat Mary's type of MS, but she knows it may help her friends. And for that, she hopes it works. Amanda Brandeis, KXAN News.
The pharmaceutical company hopes to get FDA approval for this drug at the end of March. About 200 new cases are diagnosed each week in the United States. That's according to the Multiple Sclerosis Foundation. Last year, that foundation estimated more than 400,000 cases of MS right now in America and about 2.5 million cases around the world. While there is no cure for multiple sclerosis, studies have shown that exercise can help those people living with fatigue. They found it helps with fatigue, depression, and improves strength. A study out earlier this year found obese young people who are obese are at a higher risk for developing MS later in life. Canadian researchers found obese people had a 40% increased risk of MS, and because symptoms usually start at around the age of 30, researchers say it's important to reduce obesity among children and teenagers.